Hey, Matthew, I've heard of the song Viva la Vida. I don't know it, though. And I don't know how to do an E7 suspended. We could read how to do it, but I thought let's listen to it and figure it out together, and we'll see how to play the E suspended on the accordion. I just Googled it. Coldplay Viva la Vida. We'll see what key it's in. Oh, I have heard the song. Da da da, ba da ba da ba ba da ba. It's a cool song. This is an F minor. Ba ba ba, ba da da, ba 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 ba. Right? You have it in the key of, here it's D, E, I'm looking at the chords you sent, D and E. Let's play it. D, we can play it as ignoring suspended and whatever. D major, E major, A major to F sharp minor. Right, so if the song is in the key of A, that's our root. This is a 4 chord, D major, to the 5 chord, 1 chord, walk down to this minor 6, F sharp minor. It's a beautiful chord progression that's extremely popular in pop songs. What does it mean when they say D5 to E7 suspended? I don't know. We can Google what does D5 mean. It means playing the 5th note of the D chord, which is just D. It's the A note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. E7 suspended. Read up on it, but again, for me, that slows me down a lot. What guitar players do, or what we're gonna do, is we know D major and E major. And to me, that sounds correct. Let me pull up the lyrics. Viva la Vida lyrics. Or we don't even need the lyrics, right? It goes la da 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 da. I'm assuming that chord progression continues. So if we play a solid D major, A major, that sounds correct. Right? That A major, but they include the B note on it. And when we actually play the melody of that D major, it's not just, it's, so the C sharp, this is a D major 7, has this big airy feeling. And the E, I would play this just as a standard E major. When I switch to the A major, my finger's staying on that B note from the E. To F sharp minor. And then the chorus, D major, different voicing. But again, if we're just playing like a guitar player, D major to E major. This is an E7. D major to E7, A to F sharp minor, ba da da, ba da 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 da. That's a really important note in the song, the C sharp with the D major on our left hand. Beautiful. So again, what does this mean? Using your ear is very important when reading. And also, oh, I see. In the PDF chart that you sent me, is that a C that's highlighted? No, that's an A. I hear a C major, right? The introduction here is this is what I'm playing. I'm not really reading it, but it's a D major to an E major, the E sus, E7 sus. Ignore the sus. Your left hand is playing an E7. Your right hand could play whatever the sus is, but I hear E7. You could play an E. Whatever additional notes you hear are okay to sprinkle with your right hand. Your left hand is just playing D major to E7, A to F sharp minor. What I will do though is we're gonna Google what is E7 sus right hand piano, because it's a piano accordion and we should be able to just see it. It's an EABD. EA. Okay, so the additional notes from the E are the A and the D. So D major are A and D, while our left hand switches to the E, that A and the D still stay there. But it's up to you to use your ear to say, is it D and A? Does this sound better? It sounds better to me, but I don't know the song well. So again, use sheet music as a reference. Use chord charts as a reference. You know the song. So if you approach me at a party and you say, someone says, hey, do you know Viva la Vida? I'm going to say, hell, yeah. The feel is almost more important than the E7 sus. In that time, I just played D major, E major. I didn't even hit that E7. Etc. I hope this helps. Thanks for the question.